This display represents one of the biggest leaps in monitor technology for gamers and creators who want premium clarity, accurate color, and extreme motion smoothness. The Samsung Odyssey QD-OLED G8, in its 32-inch 4K form, stands out because of how well it blends cutting-edge design with performance that pushes past the limits of traditional LCD and older OLED screens. From the moment it powers on, the screen delivers a level of depth and richness that feels like looking through a window rather than at a monitor. The QD-OLED technology enhances color saturation, brightness control, and detail in darker areas in a way that feels naturally balanced. Unlike older displays where deep blacks may hide details, this panel maintains visibility without flattening the image. Highlights appear crisp, shadow zones stay clean, and color transitions stay smooth, making the entire picture feel more lifelike. The 4K resolution on a 32-inch panel keeps textures and edges razor-sharp. Whether you're gaming, editing photos, reviewing 4K footage, or simply browsing the web, combined with the 240 Hz refresh rate, fast-paced action remains fluid, responsive, and genuinely immersive. The 0.03 milliseconds response time contributes directly to the ultra-smooth visual experience, eliminating blur that often becomes visible on weaker panels. Every movement, swipe, and camera turn feels instantaneous. Adaptive sync support on this monitor is also a major advantage. FreeSync Premium Pro and G-Sync compatibility work together to eliminate stuttering and tearing regardless of how intense the game becomes. When frame rates shift, the screen adjusts quickly, keeping the experience stable and visually consistent. This alone makes a noticeable difference during competitive gameplay. HDR performance is another highlight. Display HDR True Black 400 gives the monitor the ability to express subtle lighting changes that many displays struggle to show correctly. Scenes with bright neon lights, sunlight reflections, glowing effects, or high-contrast atmospheres feel much more dynamic. This is where QD-OLED truly shines, offering accurate highlights without blowing out the image and deep blacks without crushing fine details. For creators, the monitor offers reliable color accuracy and outstanding contrast, making it perfect for tasks like color grading, retouching, graphic design, and animation. The combination of brightness control and wide color volume ensures that content looks consistent across the screen. Productivity tasks feel easier because of the visual clarity, making multitasking more comfortable and enjoyable. The design of the Odyssey G8 is sleek and elegant, with a slim profile and clean aesthetics that make it look like a premium upgrade for any workspace or gaming setup. The rear lighting adds a subtle futuristic glow that enhances the overall atmosphere without being distracting. Build quality feels solid and refined, giving the impression of a device engineered with attention to detail. Samsung has also incorporated improvements to increase panel lifespan and stability. The 2025 panel offers upgraded burn-in protection, better heat management, and improved brightness uniformity. This means long sessions, static UI elements, or extended usage will be less of a concern compared to older OLED models. Connectivity is simple and efficient, supporting both PC and console setups without complications. Switching inputs is quick, and the menu interface responds faster than previous Samsung models, offering a smoother user experience. Console gaming at 4K 120 Hz works flawlessly, making this monitor a strong choice for next-gen console users as well. With its 3-year warranty, the monitor also provides reassurance for long-term use. This level of coverage is valuable for users investing in a premium OLED display and helps justify choosing this model over cheaper alternatives. Overall, this monitor is designed for users who want a display that excels in every category: image quality, refresh rate, HDR precision, speed, and build quality. It brings together features that enhance both entertainment and productivity, making it a powerful upgrade for almost any setup. Hi guys, it's me. If you're interested in purchasing the Samsung 32-inch Odyssey QD-OLED G8, the link is available in the description. Explore the details and see why this monitor is considered one of the most advanced screens available today.